St. Louis-based Centene announcing today that they plan to cut 3,000 jobs. Also, American Airlines notified the state that they may have to furlough almost 1,200 workers at Lambert.
Fox News' Catherine Hessel has more on these announcements and the economic impact.
Health insurer Centene reported a $12 million loss for their fourth quarter, but that's not why they plan to eliminate 3,000 workers and 1,500 open positions. The CEO says the reductions are the result of an overlap in positions after Centene finalized a major merger in January. Dr. Alicia Plemons, an assistant professor of economics at SIUE, says because of the pandemic, we may start to see more mergers.
With any sort of economic turbulence, what we see is that we have a lot of businesses who might go out of business or who might decide to merge together to be able to combine their financial wealth.
Plemons says anytime there are major layoffs, there's a ripple effect on supporting occupations. But because of the pandemic, we might not notice it as much this time.
The Centene has had a lot of their jobs working from home for a while. So many of the places that would be affected are already being affected. That's transportation in the area. That's different sort of hospitality or restaurants that are located nearby the buildings.
The good news, insurance and healthcare are a big part of St. Louis, so we could see these jobs move elsewhere.
This isn't our only insurance company in the area, and there's many other competitors that are here.
And there are opportunities in St. Louis beyond healthcare. Jason Hall is the CEO of Greater St. Louis, Inc. He says sometimes a down economy inspires entrepreneurship.
St. Louis was just named the #1 city in the Midwest by Entrepreneur Magazine for startups. So this is a community for those that say, I want to create my own business. I'm going to use this opportunity to chart my own course. This is a community that stands ready to help them.
As far as American Airlines, they told the state they may have to furlough workers in April unless the government can come up with more funding to help them get through to October.
Because vaccine rollout has been slower than what they originally expected, and they're not expecting travel to pick up during summer, they're at a 45% reduction from their normal amount of passengers. We might continue to see furlough warnings.
Reporting, I'm Catherine Hessel.